Deepika. Welcome you all in RES News channel. Let's see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some school news. UT starting from 2nd of July in Raj English School. Now some CBSE related news. CBSE asks students to apply for Central Sector Scholarship Scheme. Now some national news. Operation Sindoor was finest example of commitment to defend Swaraj. Supreme Court refuses PR to consider NEET UG results, says lives and careers of students at strike. Now some international news. UN records 613 killings in Gaza near humanitarian convoy. Aid distribution point run by US group. Russia hammers Ukraine with 550 missiles and Shahed drones overnight. 23 people injured in Kyiv. Then some education news. CUET UG result 2025. PHU cutoff across commerce and science streams expected to increase. Karnataka government grants permission to start English medium in 4,134 schools. Now it's turn for entertainment news. Metro and Dino movie review. Sara Ali Khan plays a Kareena Kapoor coded character. Anurag Basu's Enoiga acceleration film. Now some sports news. Lando Norris wins thrilling British Grand Prix in rain to cut Oscar players in F1 league. India versus England. Akshdeep's career best helps India break England's jinx. Now some other news. BRICS backs India line on terror and UNSA reforms. Slim's tariff. Chinese President Xi Jinping skips BRICS summit for first time. Now some Scout Guide news. The Bharat Scout Guide unit of Siang district, Arunachal Pradesh conducted a meeting. Let's meet after a short break. Now let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with some school news. Unit test in Raj English School will cover from July 22nd. All the students are informed to complete their pending works and start preparing for UT. Now it's turn for CBSE news. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has asked students to affiliated schools to apply for the Central Sector Scheme of Scholarship for college and university students for the session 2025-26 on the nation. Now some national news. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Friday, July 4th, 2025 said India's armed forces and the leadership are committed to defend Swaraj or sovereignty of the country. And it was demonstrated well-being during Operation Sindoor. The Supreme Court on Friday, 4th July 2025 refused a plea by a national eligibility cum interest test undergraduate NEET UG 2025 exam candidate to correct the final answer key in accordance with the authority of National Council of Educational Research and Training NCERT, the standard and declare results afresh. Now some international news. Israeli airstrikes killed 15 Palestinians in Gaza early on Friday, 4th July 2025, while a hospital said another 20 people died in a shooting while waiting for aid. Waves of drones and missiles attack targeted Kyiv overnight into Friday and the largest aerial attack since Russia's war in Ukraine began, injuring 23 people and inflicting damage across multiple districts of the capital. Then some educational news. Banaras Hindu University (BHU), one of India's oldest and most prestigious central universities, is anticipated to release its undergraduate admission cutoffs based on common university interest test for undergraduates (CUET UG) 2025 scores shortly after the official results are declared. The department has also given permission to start new billing section in government high schools in some districts. The hometown of School Education and Literacy Minister Madhu. Now it's time for entertainment news. Stands to reason that Metro and Dino will have thematic similarities with its spiritual predecessor Life. In a Metro-wearing couple, predatory bosses, committed phobic men, confused women staring and returning sacrifices and recommends. Now some sports news. The sight of Lewis Hamilton, his tires kicking up a tail of spray as he sped through the rain towards victory at the British Grand Prix in 2008, stayed with the 8-year-old Norris who was watching on TV.
start.
Now some other news. The 11 members BRICS comprising key emerging economics condemned in the strongest term Pahalgam terrorist attack, seeking concert against UN-designed terrorist and terrorist entities, and bagged a comprehensive reforms of UN Security Council (UNSC) in significant takeaways for India from Rio summit. Chinese President Xi Jinping will not attend this year's BRICS summit in Brazil, the first time he has missed the annual meeting since taking power. CNN reports the decision reflects his power on China's domestic economy and limited expectations for the summit's outcome. At last but not the least, some Scout Guide news. The Bharat Scouts and Guides unit of Siang District, Arunachal Pradesh, conducted the district level unit leader meet 2025 on 1st July 2025 at Tourist Lodge, Bowling. That's all for today. Thank you and stay connected with RES News channel.